You know the drill, how it goes. That is it, guys. That is our third and final coat of oil applied. It is all that we need to do for the face side of the worktop. Please let me remind you once again that we do need to oil the bottom side of the worktop as well with one coat of oil only, just to make sure it's well protected from the moisture. But the face side, we're completely done with it right now. We have applied 3 coats of oil to the face side. Now, once this dries, this should give our worktop a very nice protective layer, which should actually protect our worktop against stains and against watermarks for at least 2 years, depending on how active and how busy your kitchen is. But thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow when we'll be finishing off our worktop and the way it feels, the smoothness and everything.